Oh my flipping heck! Wow! I'm surprised that's not a touch and go.
There's a badly injured guy on the other side. Come on in.
Holy sh!
Whoa! Crap. Look at the back of the plane, man. You okay?
Sí, señor.
It's going fast.
Oh, oh, oh! That's why we have
a lot of safety here with the distance from the runway.
Taking the grass vector here, we've got two vectors, parallel runways, grass and steel. Lovely touchdown there by Padavi, our local pilot in the Yak 3. Ran through, oh, that's not looking good.
Such a nice guy.
Look, Justin. He just checked in yesterday.
Amin's right there.
Like he...
Uh-oh. No, no, no. Shoot. 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 Oh, he just crashed. Oh. Oh. Oh, bounce it. Bounce it. Oh, oh, no. No, don't crash. Whoa.
Tower 1 Sierra Bravo going around. 1 Sierra Bravo, roger, you coming.
Hello everyone! In the sky, everything can change in a matter of seconds. These moments reveal how an ordinary flight turned into a nightmare. The cameras were rolling and no one could believe what happened. These real-life events show just how fragile aviation can be. So sit back and don't blink, because what you're about to see...
Yeah, I think I'm crazy. Look at that shit.
Rain streaks off the wings as this plane makes a dramatic approach in stormy weather, nature, and technology.
Heading straight for the cockpit. With razor-sharp reflexes, the pilot veers away in the nick of time.
After landing, ADHL cargo plane veers off the runway, unable to stop in time. The sheer weight and momentum prove hard to
Control.
The C-17 Globemaster weaves between buildings, hugging the river below. This military giant moves like a dancer through the cityscape. Shortly after takeoff, an Antonov Antu-R clips a tree and crashes. A routine flight turns tragic in the blink of an eye.
An acrobat
Flies through a ring of smoke created by a ground explosion. It's like threading a needle with a jet engine.
Oh my god.
A wounded cow is airlifted over the Swiss Alps, suspended mid-air. It's an unusual yet heroic rescue mission. A Danish F-16 shadows a Russian Tu-95 bomber. It's a tense dance of diplomacy and deterrence at high altitude.
Amin
A helicopter spirals out of control and slams into the ground. It's a terrifying crash, but a stark reminder of the risks pilots face. At the infamous Courchevel Altiport, a small plane slams into a mound of snow at the end of the runway. The aircraft disappears into a cloud of white. In icy Siberia, a Boeing 757 lands and sends snow flying like a blizzard. It's a cinematic moment of winter aviation power.